Hello, welcome to my free VPS for Forex EA video. I'm Enda. To support traders, Vantage Markets offers free VPS hosting. Here's how you can take advantage of this offer. Open a live trading account using my sign up link in the description and deposit at least $1,000. Choose a VPS provider like Dipgate and use discount code 30ENDA for 30% off and then activate your account. Trade a minimum monthly notional value of $500,000 to be eligible for a refund of up to $25, or trade $1 million to receive a refund of up to $50 each month. Notional means the total value of a trade, including both your own money and any leveraged funds. Finally, submit your VPS invoice via the client portal for reimbursement. Vantage Markets is ideal for EA Expert Advisor trading due to its reliable low latency execution, ensuring swift and accurate trades. It offers various account types with competitive spreads and leverage, catering to different trading styles. Compatible with MetaTrader 4 and 5, it supports extensive tools and automated trading systems. Emphasizing security and customer support, Vantage Markets provides a conducive environment for optimizing EA strategies. Use my link in the description to claim your free VPS for Forex EA at Vantage Markets today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.